Rocky's 3-inch motor overview. Rocky's 3-inch motor kit can be added to any existing Rocky's reel system using our 3-inch diameter residential tubing. It is battery powered and can easily be charged by opening the waterproof cover and using the supplied power cord. Each motor comes with a programmable remote that can control starting, stopping, and reversing direction. The motor provides enough force to reel in a solar cover up to a maximum size of 20 feet by 40 feet. The remote allows you to stop the motor and adjust the cover as it's being rolled in, which helps get that perfect roll every time. It takes approximately 3 minutes to roll in a 40-foot cover. The lock pin can be removed and the reel operated manually. Simply put the lock pin back in to operate the motor again. If the pin isn't in, the motor will slip. To put the cover on the pool, simply grab a corner and walk the cover out as the motor runs. Alternatively, you can pull the lock pin out and pull the cover out without the use of the motor. For more information, visit www.rockies.ca.